Hey, what's up, my people? This is Dalton. It's kind of windy out here. This is Dalton, my world. And this area right here is called Garfield. Garfield is an area just a little ways away from East Liberty. East Liberty is I wouldn't call it an upper echelon, but it's starting to become, because they're renewing the area. Okay, like around Frankstown Road, they're destroying old houses, putting brand new houses there. They're renewing the area, and you have a lot of shops down in East Liberty. Okay, this is Garfield. This is just a little ways down from East Liberty. Okay, now Garfield is a huge community, and they have a lot of big businesses. Like right here, you have the Children's Home of Pennsylvania, of course, and you have a lot of churches, you have a lot of businesses around here. But what you mainly have is a large amount of diversity. Okay, of race, color, sexual orientation, you name it. And the cool thing about it is it builds a very unique and somewhat artistic type of community. Okay, and they have these huge houses as well as apartments around here. Look at that infrastructure there. Beautiful right there. Alright, see the buses roll up and down here all the time. Okay, you have easy access around this area. And look at the sizes of these houses. Blows your mind, right? Look at them. Huge. I'm always impressed with the sizes of the houses. Even the small houses are considered big, especially when you're thinking about inner cities. Okay, even the small houses here are huge. Okay, but the price point is low. It doesn't cost tons of money. The gas prices are crazy up here. Some days they almost reach $3 a gallon. Okay. And also, recently today, these liquor stores are going crazy because they have to, by 9 o'clock tonight, close up. And what you're going to see around this area, I always have a lot of people jogging, running, all right, exercising. And look at this community. Look at those cars. All right. So I wouldn't call it's not a poor community, but it's not a rich community either. It's kind of like right in the middle. But if I came into a lot of money, I would move in a community like this because it's just kind of down to earth. You can have the money and be down to earth too. All right. And look at the traffic flow here. Okay, even though we're on quarantine, there's just so many businesses around here that you still got a traffic flow. Alright, well that's Garfield. Just want to give y'all a little bit of taste of that. Please subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Ooh, I'm getting ready to go to Aldi's. Yeah, I heard they got a lot of water in now. Oh, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Either way, you cool with me. And I should wrap to y'all later. Peace out.